Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to leave a Yahoo Fantasy Football League. So, first of all, I'm going to give you some disclaimers. Unfortunately, you cannot leave your league via the Yahoo Fantasy app. You must use the Yahoo Fantasy website to complete this action. This can still be done on your phone, but only through the website, not the app. So, make sure you use a laptop or PC in order to carry out this step. Also, if your league has already drafted, you will not be able to leave the league. Note this. However, if your league has not drafted yet, or if you're in the post-season, this method will work. So make sure you know both of these points and we'll head on to leaving our Yahoo Fantasy League. So the steps to leave your Yahoo Fantasy League is, first of all, open any browser on your PC, navigate to sports.yahoo.com, log in using your user credentials, and you'll be on this page. So this is Yahoo Sports dashboard. Here, the first thing that you're going to do is simply hover your mouse over to fantasy option here. Now, simply choose see all fantasy games. Now in this, you'll have to simply choose fantasy football league that you want to go out of. So choose a game in this and you'll be taken over to this page that says My Teams and Leagues. Here, you will see a small gear icon just after this My Teams and Leagues text. After you click on this gear icon, it will show up this page. Here, you will see My Teams and Leagues option. Now, you will see all the teams or leagues you will have on Yahoo Fantasy Sports. Here, in order to leave a Yahoo Fantasy Football League, you're going to simply click on the Delete Team option here. You can also click on the Delete League button if you want to completely delete your league and you're the commissioner. But if you want to simply leave a Yahoo Fantasy Football League, you're simply going to click on Delete Team button. When you click on Delete Team button, it will show up this pop-up that says, are you sure you want to delete this team? Click on Delete Team and it will instantly take you out of that specific fantasy football league. So that is the simple way through which you can leave a Yahoo Fantasy Football League. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.